Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check when you need to replace your wiper blades. Now obviously you can do it based off of if they're streaking really bad, but if you're on a budget and you want to wait until the last minute to change your wiper blades, this is a good tell here. But you just take your finger and try to rip the blade off basically, and as you can see here, this one's good, it's not coming off. But as we go to the back of the vehicle, then we start to pull this back, you can see that it's starting to rip, and that means it's time to replace your wiper blade, or it's probably about to fall off and you'll have a real big issue in the rain. And so anyway, that's how you check your wiper blades. Make sure to check them regularly. You don't want to be standing out in the rain blind.